G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Yeah, I've been seeing a big resurgence in popularity of VHS tapes and VHS camera recordings and pseudo VHS videos made with filter effects using video editing programs. Well, yeah, I thought I'd jump on the bandwagon of the resurgence in popularity of VHS and yeah, resurrect one of my camcorders. Anyhow, till now I wasn't sure if I had a camcorder with a working VHS recorder on it, and so I thought I'd test out a few of my camcorders, and lo and behold, my vintage mid-80s national Panasonic NV-M3 VHS camcorder actually works. The video recorder actually works as well as the camera, which is a bit of a rarity. So a lot of them, the tape recorder doesn't work, but yet the camera works. Yeah, it's just yeah, and they usually need servicing. But anyhow, this one works quite nicely. So I decided to adapt a 12 volt 1.2 amp hour lead acid battery to the original battery pack, and yeah, go mobile with it. Anyhow, I've just done a test recording a bit earlier on, and yeah, it recorded quite fine. Unfortunately though, the tape itself was for some reason on playback at the beginning, well, halfway through the tape actually, it was chewing in my VCR. I think the tape's a bit ratshit, so yeah, it was a bit ratshit in areas anyways, so that's pretty much the case with that. So so anyhow, I did make a video introducing myself and all that sort of all that sort of jazz, and but unfortunately because of the tape chewing, I didn't get the beginning of the video, so I decided to cut to when I just exited the garage and filming around outside the front yard and then the backyard. So without further ado, here's my little video I made from this Panasonic National NV-M3 camcorder. Oh, by the way, it's a newvicon tube too. Uses a newvicon tube. It's just before CCD came on the scene in the late part of the 80s. Anyhow, here's my video. In the popularity of VHS and old cameras, so I thought I'd try and resurrect one of my VHS cameras. I mean, I haven't got a working porta packs, but this camcorder works and I'm pretty happy, and I'm going to do some filming and stuff. Anyhow, let's go outside and I'll just set white balance. Yep. But anyway, I'm out here in the front yard. Turn on autofocus. Autofocus is pretty handy. The viewfinder is pretty small on this camera and it's not easy to tell if you're 100% in focus or not. Now, the lead acid battery in this camera, I don't know how much time I'm going to get out of it, but hopefully I'll get a decent amount of time. It's only a small 1.2 amp hour battery. Yeah, so yeah, it's good to be mobile again with a vintage video camera. It's been a while since I've done a mobile recording on VHS tape. I actually blew my last porta pack VHS recorder because I put the bloody battery leads the wrong way around, and yeah, I'm still pretty sad about that. Anyway, just at the side of the house here. distance, see the Steelworks. Autofocus is being a bit of a pain in the ass. It's kind of constantly hunting, so I'll just leave it on infinite focus. It's good enough. Now autofocus is useful, but when it continuously hunts it becomes a pain in the bum. Yeah. The beauty about these old cameras is it also has macro focus capability, which I'm going to demonstrate. I'll get up close to one of these flowers here. Alright, I'm going to go to the backyard and film the chooks. Okay, here I'm in the backyard and here's our chooks all clucking together, all four of them. I'll turn autofocus back on. Yeah, the orange one just loves to peck at anything that's black, or anything pretty much, anything fabric. Alright, no I won't. Yeah, here's the backyard garden. Last time I filmed the backyard, there wasn't much around here. There's our red chook, brown chook should I say. There. Over here we have the chook pen. Okay viewers, I think that's about it for this video. Stay tuned for my next VHS camcorder videos. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.